Hello and welcome to tutorial video 3 for Walk the Block for Parkinson's 2020. In this video, we are going to be going over the best way to donate to your favorite walkers. Let's get started. Go to your favorite web browser and head over to walktheblock.ca. This red donate button is for general donations. Click here if you want to send a general donation to a particular region. If you want to donate to a specific individual or team, click on the district that the recipients are from. I want to find someone in London, so I'll click here. The same donation button will be in the regional page too. This time, if you click on it, it will give you the option to select an individual, a team, or to make a general donation. I want to help out Lisa, so let's find her. Type in the first and last name of the walker you want to search for. And click search. Here's Lisa. If you want to learn more about why Lisa's walking, click on her profile. I know why Lisa walks, so I'll click donate now. From here, it is as simple as putting in the amount you want to donate and the personal and payment information. I'll do this in fast forward. When you're all finished, click Next. This will bring you to a summary page of the information you entered on the last screen. If it all checks out, scroll to the bottom and click Process. This will bring you to a final summary page that has a thank you message. The information and payment process will be identical for team and general donations. Now, what if I would like to submit a cash donation? Let's say a family member would like to give me $20 for my campaign. Go back to your district page, and from here, make sure you are logged out. If you do not do this, the computer will autofill the personal information into the payment information, and the correct donor will not be recognized. Once you've logged out, click Donate, and go through the same process. In my case, I'll search for myself or my team. I've found myself, so now I'll click Donate Now. From here, we will fill out my family member's information in the Donor Information heading right here, and my own credit card information in the Billing Information section. Once you're done, you'll click Next and move on the same way we went over earlier. This means that you will keep the cash donation, but will be billed the same digital donation amount. We hope this video helps. For more information or to get in touch, head over to parkinsonsociety.ca. Thanks so much and happy walking.